In this particular scenario, it would appear that an explosion has occurred, probably accidentally, and so the first thing we need to do is to preserve life. The first responders will enter the scene and ensure that they save life if they can. Following on from that, the explosives officer will make the scene safe. It's vitally important that we get information from that scene out to the command and control area in order to prevent further incidents taking place.
The impressive feature with this mapping tool is that you're able to monitor on the ground using your iPhone or iPad or Android phone that map. Using your mobile device, it's also possible for you to monitor activity at other scenes.
The information that we'll be looking to get out of that scene is a list of individuals, components of devices, imagery of lists of targets, any further devices, maps, any type of imagery that will assist us to prevent further incidents taking place. In summary, there is normally massive evidence at these scenes, and it's the investigator's job to prioritise what is important and get that back to the command and control as soon as possible. It's also vitally important to get biometric data out of the scene as quickly as possible. Imagine discovering a document at a scene, having the ability to transmit that document back to somebody who can translate it instantly. We need to identify those people who are in a scene and also those that may be missing from that scene. Being the former head of the UK Bomb Data Centre, I found it invaluable to be able to research the open source report desk database. This allowed us to link scenes not only locally but internationally through modus operandi, therefore identifying terrorist groups. Historically, the Dfuze software has been used to assist in many high-profile investigations.
Dfuze also gives you the ability to transmit data from one Dfuze user to another, anywhere in the world. So once data has been shared, a user is able to compare new data in their own historical data for trends, patterns, similarities, known associates, or even other related incidents. In this scenario, a suspect has been identified, the data has been shared to another Dfuze user in the United States, and a match is found, which then leads to the arrest of the suspect. Because Dfuze has a built-in audit capability as well as evidence management tools, it's been used in courtroom proceedings to both uphold findings by investigators that were brought into question, and then to rebut arguments by the defense during trial.
What we want to do is take all the power that's been behind Dfuze 360 and add in the element of prediction. The most important aspect is the experience of the individual officers and agents. What we're envisioning is a situation where Dfuze Predict is connected to historical crime information, it's connected to Live Nation or Ticketmaster, but also connected to National Weather Service forecasting information. So then it would send an email to a sergeant or to a captain on the staff, and that would point out that based on the fact there's going to be a large sporting event going on next Wednesday, and it's predicted there's not going to be any precipitation, and it's going to be above 80 degrees historically that day, based on that analysis, there's an indication that this type of crime is going to occur. It's not necessarily telling you what to do or making decisions for you, it's giving you a lot of information that you can use that wouldn't have been as easy for you to gather on your own in order to let you make a more effective decision.